How to stop spam texts on your iPhone. So if you're receiving messages from unknown numbers, I'm going to show you how to go and stop these messages from coming through to your iPhone. So there's two ways to do this. You first need to go and load up the Messages app. And what you can do is select the text message that somebody sent you. And you see we have the option here to report this as spam. So if you go ahead and click on this, you can then press delete and report spam. And this will basically stop this person from contacting you again, and it will also delete the text message from your phone. Now, this is useful if you're receiving spam from one specific number, but if you just want to stop spam texts altogether, then what you'll need to do is go and open up the settings on your phone. You can then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Now scroll down again until you see Messages and go and click on this. Now scroll down once again and you'll see the section for unknown senders. Now where it says screen unknown senders, make sure this is turned on. Also make sure filter spam is turned on as well. And where it says allow notifications, go and click on this. And where it says other unknown, go and toggle this to off. Now, once you've done this, it will stop any unknown senders and spam texts going to your iPhone, and it will also stop those unwanted notifications as well.